Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate your sticker using keyframe button in a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my VN video editor application and I'm going to add sticker to my video. I'm going to tap on the section and then I'm going to select sticker. And for instance, I'm going to animate the sticker, this earth sticker. I'm going to go back to my editing. And if we want to animate our sticker, we can tap on this sticker. But before it, guys, I'm going to make it align with my video. Just like that. Oops. Okay, and if we want to animate it, we can use this keyframe button. Wait, I'm going to place it right here. For instance, I'm going to create like a bounce animation. I'm going to click on the keyframe and then I'm going to move it right here and I'm going to move the sticker down and then I'm going to move it up and then move it down for the last position. Okay, and now it's done guys, and this is the final result. As you can see that the bounce sticker has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to animate our sticker in a video editor using the keyframe button. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.